9 minus 8, then times 6 minus 4. 9 minus 8 is just 1. And 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And here we have 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is just 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parentheses. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do these parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. Okay, let's do it. Inside this parentheses we have 6 minus 4, which equals 2. So we have 9 minus 8, then times 2. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So now we have to do this multiplication. 8 times 2 gives us 16. So we have 9 minus 16, which equals negative 7. So therefore our final answer to this problem is just negative 7. The correct answer is negative 7.